Good morning, students. Welcome again. Today we are going to learn about our basic requirement, food. That is chapter 3, food and health. Do you know why do we feel hungry? We feel hungry if we do not eat food for a long time. Food is the source of energy for our body. We need energy to perform some work, play, talk, etc. Food also help us to grow and repair tissues of our body. Components of food. We eat rice, wheat, vegetables, fruits, pulses, meat, eggs, nuts, oil and other things. All these food items contain useful substance called nutrients which perform important functions in our body. The main nutrients present in food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Food also contains roughage and water. Roughage means fibers in food that we cannot digest. It has no food value, but it helps to move out the waste through digestive system. Different nutrients help our body in various ways. Now let's learn about nutrients. Carbohydrates are energy-giving food items. We get carbohydrates in the form of sugar and starch. It is found in rice, wheat, maize, sugar, potato, bread, chocolate, banana, etc. Growing children and those people who do not do lot of physical work should eat carbohydrate-rich food items. Proteins. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food items. Protein helps to repair damaged part of our body. They help the cells of our body to grow. We get protein from milk, cheese, egg, curd, pulses, beans, meat, etc. Children need to eat food items containing protein as they help them to grow well. Fats are also energy-giving food. Fats in our body keep us warm. They also give us energy to play and to do work. Our body has the ability to store fat and use it later on. Sometimes when we do not get enough food to eat, the fat stored in the body is used to give us energy. Butter, cream, cheese, nuts, oil, ghee, etc. are sources of fats. Remember, too much of fats are not good for our body. It can make you obese. Vitamins. These nutrients are required in very small quantity. They protect us from many diseases and are called protective food. Egg, fresh fruits, vegetable, meat, fish, etc. are rich in vitamins. Minerals. Our body needs iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine, salt in small amount. They are called minerals. Food items such as eggs, cereals, fruits, vegetables, milk and cheese give us these minerals. Milk is rich in calcium. It makes our bone and teeth strong. Green leafy vegetables also give us minerals. Water. About 75% of our body is made of water. We should drink plenty of water to stay fit and healthy. Our body needs about 2 to 3 liters of water, so we should drink 8 to 12 glasses of water daily. Water helps to digest food, throw waste out of our body and use nutrients properly. It also keeps our skin soft. Balanced diet. The food that we eat daily is called our diet. The diet that gives us required amount of carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage is called a balanced diet. That is a diet which contains all the food nutrients in the right amount. It is called balanced diet. Balanced diet keeps us fit and healthy. Lifestyle diseases. A disease is a state in which a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Lack of any component of food in our diet can cause diseases. Some diseases are related to improper eating habits. Diseases that impact on our lifestyle are heart disease, obesity, depression and cancer. Excess intake of fatty foods and and lack of exercise may cause obesity or fatness. Unhealthy food items like junk food can cause diabetes and high blood pressure. Symptoms and preventive measures. Symptoms of obesity are overweight, breathlessness, fatigue, back and joint pain, and increased sweating. These are the symptoms of obesity. Anemia. Symptoms are pale skin, dizziness, weakness, shortness of breath, and soreness and swelling of tongue. Diabetes. Symptoms are increased thirst, frequent urination, hunger, fatigue, weight loss, and blurred vision. High blood pressure. Severe headache, severe anxiety, shortness of breath, bleeding of nose, and dizziness and nausea are the symptoms. Prevention. Good hygiene helps in preventing diseases. Eating healthy, home-cooked food at regular intervals along with proper rest, sleep, and exercise go a long way in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. That is, we should try to eat healthy food and take proper rest and do exercise and avoid eating junk food. Now, deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused by the lack of some particular nutrient are called deficiency diseases. Let us now learn about some of the deficiency diseases. First is deficiency of vitamin A. It leads to night blindness. People suffering from vitamin A deficiency cannot see properly in the dark. Butter, carrot, papaya, curd, tomato, pumpkin, and fish are good source of vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin B leads to beriberi. Beriberi is a disease that affects the nervous system. It can affect the whole body and overall growth. Tomato, beans, banana, unpolished rice, and meat are good source of vitamin B. Scurvy. Scurvy is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. People suffering from scurvy starts bleeding from their gums. In extreme cases of scurvy, the affected person may even lose their teeth. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons and other fruits like guavas, carrots, and tomatoes are good source of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets causes rickets. Weak, thin, and brittle bone are the symptoms of rickets. Fish, liver oil, eggs, milk, and milk products, and even sunlight are the good source of vitamin D. Our body also needs minerals such as iodine, iron, and calcium to stay healthy. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Person suffering from goiter becomes weak and lethargic. In extreme cases, one develops swelling in the neck. Affected person should add iodized salt in their diet. So we should take sufficient salt. Anemia. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. An anemic person becomes weak and dull. He or she have pale skin. A lot of green leafy vegetable, meat, nuts, and pulses are good source of iron. Calcium deficiency affects the bone and teeth formation. Dairy products, pulses, nuts, and seeds are good sources of calcium. Two severe diseases caused due to deficiency of protein calorie are kwashiorkor and marasmus. Marasmus happens due to the lack of protein and carbohydrate in the diet. Other symptoms include extremely thin body, dry and wrinkled skin like old people, and frequent stomach disorder and diarrhea. A child suffering from marasmus must be fed with food rich in carbohydrate and protein such as wheat, soybean, eggs, sugar, potato, gram, fish, meat, and nuts. Kwashiorkor. Child affected with this disease have swollen legs and belly. Their growth is reduced and liver enlarged. Children suffering from this disease should be given skimmed milk, porridge, khichdi, pulses, eggs, sugar and potato, which are excellent sources of carbohydrates and proteins. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by healthy eating. We should eat a balanced diet that gives us all the nutrients in right amount. We should try to eat all type of foods and not the junk food. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. You need to copy the lesson plan in your notebook and objective exercises in the book. Hope you understood the chapter.